Hi all again. We've now moved on to energy systems, right? And we're going to look at our first energy system, which is ATP splitting. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand what ATP is, and it stands for adenosine triphosphate. Okay, tri means three, okay, which means there are going to be three phosphate molecules. Okay, so the first thing I want you to look at is this. So this A is my adenosine, and linked to that, we have three phosphates. And this is where we would start. Okay, now you need to know, to release energy, you have to break something down. So I have these three phosphates. This is ATP. What's got to happen is I'm going to still have adenosine. However, one of these phosphates is going to break off. Okay, so here it's still the same, but all of a sudden it gets broken off. Okay, now for that to happen, I need something called an enzyme. Now we've got our first anaerobic enzyme, which is going to be ATPase. If you do biology, you might know this by a different name. However, for us, this is going to be ATPase. So this is what would happen. Is first of all, ATP is broken down by ATPase. Okay, now it's no longer tri and it's double. Okay, so now ATP becomes ADP, D for double, plus I have an extra phosphate, plus the whole point of breaking it down was to release energy. Okay, now this energy is used in my muscle for muscular contractions. Okay, I'll refer back to your earlier exam tip, which was the only way you can move is by breaking down ATP. Okay, so let's just run back a second. First of all, ATP is broken down by ATPase into ADP plus P plus energy. Then this energy is used for muscular contractions. This is the only time the energy is going to be used for a muscular contraction. Every other energy system is used to resynthesize ATP.